Here we go. Here's the 11 Bravo pocket chainsaw, available from Amazon.com, and an 11-year-old boy's mom. This is about a 2.5 inch diameter piece of maple. And mom is showing excellent form, going side to side, pulling all the way through, utilizing the entire length of the saw. Not pulling up too much on the saw, actually just pulling hard enough to get the chain teeth, the cutting teeth, do the work. Just keeping both sides parallel. Almost through. This is her workout for the day. Once it starts to bend, you can pretty much just stomp on it. There you go. Did you want to hold up your accomplishment?
Sure.
There you go. 11 Bravo pocket chainsaw, available from Amazon.com, and a proud mom.